Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at a functions question. So given that fx is equal to a to the power x minus 1, for a is greater than 0, and b is the point 2 and negative 5 over 9 is a point on f, calculate the value of a. So we have our equation and we have a point on the graph, so we can just sub in our x and y values into our equation, and we would get a squared minus 1, and then if we move the 1 across, we should get a squared is equal to 4 over 9, and our a value would then be 2 over 3. So now we would have plus minus, but they do tell us that a is greater than 0, so we can't have a minus. So our a value is therefore 2 over 3. Question 4.2. Write down the range of f. So as we can see in our equation, our asymptote is at negative 1. So our range is from, well, y is an element that's greater than negative 1 because y can't touch the asymptote. So y is greater than negative 1. Question 4.3. Sketch the graph f clearly showing the intercepts and axes and asymptotes, if any. So this is just going to be a rough sketch. So we know our asymptote is at negative 1, and now we just need to calculate our y-intercept. So we know it's a decreasing graph as our a value is between 0 and 1. If we calculate our y-intercept, we can say that 2 over 3 to the power 0 minus 1, which give us 1 minus 1, which is 0. So if our y-intercept is 0, our x-intercept is also 0. So our graph should look something like this. And then somewhere around here would be our b value. And then obviously our x-axis and our y-axis. Question 4.4. If it is further given that c is a point on f at y is equal to 19 over 8, determine the coordinates of the inverse of c, the image of c, when c is reflected about the line y is equal to x. So we can firstly just calculate our x-coordinate for c, the original c, according to this graph. So we can say 19 over 8 is equal to 2 over 3 to the power x minus 1. And if we move our 1 across, we should get 27 over 8 is equal to 2 over 3 to the power x. And if we factorize this, we can get 3 over 2 to the power x. Sorry, not to the power x. To the power 3 is equal to, if we flip this and get, so we can get the inverse, we can get 3 over 2 to the power negative x. We then get our x value to be equal to negative 3. So our original c value is negative 3 and 19 over 8. So if we want to get c inverse, we get our values swapped. So we get 19 over 8 and our negative 3. So this would be the coordinates of the image of c when reflected about the line y is equal to x. And that's all for this video. Thank you.